appreciation for incorporating scripture into my decor. It's a great way to memorize Bible verses, stay rooted in my faith, and practically apply what the Israelites were instructed to do. Now that spring is here, I'm looking for a way to refresh my space and represent my faith, but I haven't found anything that meets my needs. So I have decided to create my own centerpiece, blending faith, flowers in a style I like to call faith and floral. Welcome to my channel, whether you're new or returning. Let's get creative together as we spring into this faith-inspired decor. First, I'm laying down this beautiful DIY mirror tray as a base. I love how it adds a touch of elegance to the space. Next, I added a stunning floral arrangement which features eucalyptus sprays and white tulip. I just love seeing tulips in spring. It's such a refreshing element. How about you? Do you have tulips in your area? Followed by that is this thrifted find, a birdcage tea light candle holder. It warms my heart to hear the birds in the morning, and this find brings a touch of that indoors. To complete the look, I am adding this salmon-colored flower-shaped frame with the scripture from Revelation 21 verse 5, which reminds us of God's rejuvenating nature and His role as the giver of new life. It's a beautiful reminder of hope and renewal that comes with this season. And as a bonus, here's a quick view of how I styled my couch and end table to tie in the frame. Decorating with scriptures isn't just beautiful, it also is beneficial. It uplifts one's spirit, provides an opportunity to share God's love, and keeps one centered. Here you go, guys. My very own faith-based spring decor. Faith and florals. Be inspired. See you in the next one. And make sure you return as I have some more inspiration coming your way. God bless you.